Ayan. So, by the way po, before we start, I'll be magpakilala po muna ako ng maigsi, no. So ako po si Coach Randy Regoño all the way from North Caloocan. And right now, I'm studying my masteral, no, sa business administration, and so thankful, no. Si Live Good po yung nagpapaaral sa akin, no. So sobrang blessed and sobrang talagang grateful natin kay Live Good. And also a former OFW sa Dubai for 7 years, sa pagiging empleyado, from service crew, I go to pagiging store manager, no, sa isang health and beauty company. And right now, I'm a professional networker, uh, heading or founding the Team Attraction Worldwide, and also a co-founder of our morning mentoring program Academy by Don Chris International. And right now, I live good gold rank and going platinum. So, um, today, pag-usapan natin yung konsepto ng live good business. Okay? So ngayon, um, pag-uusapan natin ano ba at paano at bakit si Live Good Business yung aking napiling, career, 'no. Kung tutuusin napakarami po kasing industry diyan, eh, napakarami po nila. Bakit ko pa rin, why I decided to choose Live Good Business. So ngayon paliwanag ko ng mabilis ano ba meron dito kay Live Good, 'no. So si Live Good is a US-based company located in Florida, USA, 'no. So nag-launch po ito, December of 2022. Available po siya at in more than 200 countries po, no? So the company is making remarkable strides because of a blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunities. So etong company na to nagsisimula po tayo sa sa supplement or health and wellness. Pero soon, expect para 'tong Amazon na kung na lahat ng kailangan mo is magkakaroon po tayo dito kay Live Good. So, kung titignan niyo po, kakasimula pa lang natin ng 2022, pero meron na po tayong warehouse sa Germany. Operational na po 'yan. And ang mga projection, 'no, so we will be having soon sa Philippines, sa India, sa Brazil at Kazakhstan. So, gano'n po ka-booming and ka-trending yung ating business. Okay? So, I want to meet you guys the management team, no, ng ating company. Sir Ben Glinsky, our CEO. This is with over 20 years of experience owning and running of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. And also we have here the director for network marketing, Sir Noder Gazan, together with our product development head, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, and also our for education directors, Dr. Lisa Goodkin. So ang kagandahan dito sa ating mga sa management team, hands-on sila, no. So yung ating product development, sila po yung formulator ng mga products natin. So the product is intended not to resell but for personal use, no, for family use. So as you can see, no, at makikita mo kaya yung mga produkto natin is high quality po talaga. Okay? So true leadership creates true success. Ayan. So ngayon, so what's the goal of Live Good? So ayan, meron tayong ito to get healthy and stay healthy with the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet at prices that anyone can afford, no. So hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo sa pag-achieve ng iyong health. Ayan, and also to help you make money easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So pinagsama na yung health and wealth dito. Nagiging healthy ka, you get affordable prices, and at the same time you are having side hustle. So yun yung nagustuhan ko dito kay Live Good. Ayan. So Live Good is a life-changing products and has a life-changing results. So breakthrough marketing system, generous compensation plan, and the most powerful system in the industry. Ayan. So milestone natin. So bigyan ko lang po kayo kung anong mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon kay Live Good in the span of 1 year. So Live Good paid out 50 million in commission in 2023. Grabe, 'no, bagong company pero nagbayad na siya of over 50 million dollars in commission noong 2023 natin. And ito nga, sabi dito, celebrates 1 million members. So I think this as of ano pa. Pero kasi ngayon, we are celebrating 1.5 million subscribers na po tayo. So ganyan po kalakas at ka-trend yung negosyo. In span of magto 2 years pa lang, naka 1.5 million subscribers or members na po tayo. Okay? So ayan, 200 countries, and right now eto po 'no, so etong rank na 'to nagva-varies po ito 'no, pero as you can see sobrang, ano ng ating bansa when it comes to global rank. So siyempre nandiyan yung ating mga kasama 'no, na bansa no, Taiwan, Kazakhstan, United Kingdom, Australia, Sweden, Philippines, Korea, Canada, China, and US. So ganyan po yung ating, status or standing 'no, when it comes to global ranking. Then our mission is, simple 'no, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, ngayon, ano ba yung nakita ko kay Live Good 'no, na differences 'no? So, as you can see here, um, one is, yung global ano niya, yung global presence niya 'no. So, made in the US, um, and yung kanyang system 'no, yung GMP certification nito, yung Global Manufacturing Practices 'no. So it's a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to the highest quality standard. So if you're looking for certification, you look for GMP approved or certified. So and that is one of our certification ng ating kumpanya. Okay? So National Sanitation Foundation or certification verifies that batch of the dietary supplements it certifies does not contain unsafe levels of contaminants, prohibited substances, or masking. So, grabe no? Grabeng mga certification natin. USDA, no? So United States Department of Agriculture, USDA organic certification indicates that a product has been grown and manufactured in a sustainable and safe way. It is powerful way to set your product apart from competitors. So grabe yung mga certification natin dito kay Live Good. So highest certification na meron sa US is meron po tayo dito kay Live Good. So dito pa lang sobrang proud na po tayo. Okay? So other certification is here. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, keto-friendly, non-GMO, peanuts-free, ayan, shellfish-free, egg-free, BSE, ang dami nating certification na nandito kay Live Good. Kaya talagang dito pa lang mawawala na po yung inyong doubt na when it comes to the quality of the products. Okay? So ayan. So as you can see here, internationally recognized accreditation body in the US. Grabe 'no, certificate of analysis. So meron tayong mga certifications 'no, tested for purity and potency po. So guarantee of quality and safety with its analytical results demonstrates that the products meets the established specifications, whether they relate to regulation, safety, or product performance. So grabe 'no. So lahat talagang dito mawawala yung inyong doubts 'no, when it comes to certifications, talagang kumpleto 'no. Nakalatag po 'yan sa ating websites na nandun po yung ating mga certifications. Dun pa lang talagang nawala na yung doubt ko, eh, nung nakita ko yung mga ganong certifications dito sa kumpanya. Ayan. So from the purest natural ingredients harvested from some of the most pristine locations on the planet to our world-class manufacturing facilities to ensure top-notch consistent quality to unique and powerful formulations that are unmatched anywhere. We pride ourselves not only on creating products that are good for our body but on creating products that get results. Grabe 'yan. So ayan. So dito pa lang, sabi sa nakakatuwa 'no, kasi nagtagpo po yung quality ng products and yung affordability niya. Ayan. So, ngayon tignan natin 'no, so dito ako natuwa, sa comparisons natin 'no, ng mga produkto. This is compared doon sa mga existing competitors natin sa US 'no. You can see here the magnesium, grabe yan, $9 compare sa mga leading competitors po ito, you save 70%. Sa pangalawang competitor, you save 74. So that is the savings that you are getting when you are in here to live good. Ayan, so etong Super Greens, 74% ang discount mo diyan, compare sa mga competitors. Super Red, 74 and 54%. Factor 4, 66%, 68%. So, can you imagine yung mga ganong savings na nakukuha mo? No? So, yun palang value for money na po. Grabe, no? So, ito yung lean, no? We have here the lean composition improvement formula. Ito naman for increasing your metabolism, burning fat and immune system support, no, yung ating lean. Ito grabe, sobrang lakas nito nung when it started, no, nung nag-up sa market. So 100 bottles sold less than 6 hours no after its launch. So ganon ka. Bakit ganon, Sir Randy? Kasi tignan mo naman, $20 compared sa $70 na competitors. Existing leading competitors sa US. So you save 70%, the other competitors 66%. So ganon siya kaganda yung ating mga produkto. Okay? So more comparison, bakit natin nakikita at bakit natin siya talagang this is the trending and the disruptor in the industry, no? So we have here the vitamins, no? Can you imagine a $10 vitamin 60 capsule, super green, a grabeng combination ng mga green components as well as with the super reds, no? Ito yung pinaka favorite ko lahat, yung ating super reds. So for the super reds, ito naman for the heart, no? For the cardiovascular, circulation, sexual health. We also have for the brain and cognitive function. Ito na, bigyan ko yan ng example sa Super Reds, no? So this coming from red berries. Ang mga components nito, alfalfa grass, barley grass, beetroot, wheatgrass, hawthornberry, aronia fruit extract, oatgrass juice, spinach, pomegranate, and grape seed extract. So ito, bigyan ko lang ng konting what are anong ginagawa ng super red sa katawan. Ito mayaman po ito sa nitric oxide, no? So yung nitric oxide po, ito po yung responsible sa pagtanggal ng mga bara-bara sa daluyan ng ating mga dugo. So if walang bara, so we are not prone for heart disease, no? Yung mga heart attack, no? So prone ano tayo doon, malayo tayo doon, no? Hindi tayo prone pala, 'yon. So 'yun ang ginagawa nito, 'yun nga, tinatanggal niya yung bara-bara na galing doon sa mga kinakain natin, no? So yun. So I'm so thankful, no, sa napakagandang produkto natin, the Super Reds, and sa mga marami pang produkto natin kay Live Good. So ayan, sobrang daming products to compare. So yan, inano na lang natin, no? Binulit na lang natin. And yeah, we have the collagen, the methylene blue, and so on and so forth. Sobrang dami nating mga promising products, no. And right now, no, meron tayong nilo-launch na bagong product, yung Silagit natin, no, yung CMOS. So grabe, Himalayan Silagit. Sobra ding gandang product nun. Trace minerals, no. So inaaral ko pa lang siya pero sobrang lakas din sa market natin. Okay? So eto. So life-changing products and unmatched quality. Ayan. So pinag-usapan natin kanina, and a part of that, we have a money back guarantee, 90 days money back guarantee. If you hindi ka satisfied, you can return or you can refund your payment here at Live Good. Ayan. So who can use our products, our Live Good products, no? I think all walks of life, no? Health enthusiasts, weight management seekers, natural and alternative health supporters, supplement users, no? Holistic health advocates, people with specific health concerns, does not have an idea about the benefits of taking supplement, and opportunity seekers too. So you are all welcome here. Okay, Live Good. And ayan, life-changing testimonials as you visit the website, guys. Napakaraming testimonials po, no, sa ating website, no. So ayan, a few, ito mga nakita nyo rito sa ating slides. These a few testimonies, no. So doon sa ating mga produkto. So yan, so sobrang powerful. And syempre, yung mga users natin around the world, so parami tayo ng parami yung ating mga users. Ayan. So ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung concept ng Live Good, which is the subscription. So ito, isa sa trending na concept, a subscription model is a recurring revenue model in which customer pay a weekly, monthly, or yearly fee in exchange for a product or services, no. So ito, ginagamit na natin tong subscription model. So sa Pilipinas, we have here yung Netflix, no. Etong internet natin 'no, yung, nagsa-subscribe ka or nagbabayad ka monthly sa internet mo, internet provider mo para makuha mo po yung internet service 'no, para magkaroon ka ng internet at yun nga, magamit mo siya. Ano pa ba? Netflix 'no? So nagbabayad ka monthly diyan para in exchange makapanood ka ng mga movies na gusto mo or mga series na gusto mo, okay? So ano pa ba? 'Yan yung mga Meralco, that is a subscription. So in exchange for the electricity, Maynilad for the water, and what else? Etong Zoom na ginagamit natin ngayon, this is a subscription. So ayan, customer can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. So ngayon, ano naman, ayan, so as you can see here, there's an exchange, no? So you pay monthly for this subscription company in exchange of the products and services na meron sila. Ngayon, ito about subscription, let's have the comparison, no? Ito yung mga existing at mga trending na mga subscription company. Grabe no, nagbabayad ka yearly, monthly, depending on you. Ayan, Netflix, 33 billion ang revenue for 2023. Ang Costco, 5.4 billion ang revenue. Uh, though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good has. No? So dito lahat palabas yung pera, no? Lahat palabas yung pera mo. Pero ang kaibahan kay Live Good, ayan. Pag kinompare natin, no, yung products and services ng mga existing na mga subscription company, ano ba yung difference? Lahat may check, no? As you can see here on our slide, no? The products, the services, no? Live Good meron din po products and services, pero tignan niyo po yung income. Sa lahat ng po yan, wala po kayong income or wala po kayong income potential. But here in Live Good, meron po. Kasi po, nilagyan po siya ng compensation plan. So can you imagine the new model na meron tayo ngayon, nilagyan po ng income. So ganyan po kaganda kay Live Good. So ayan. So dito, you will be a part of a consumer, a member, an affiliate, a part owner, no, pag a certain if you hit a certain rank, and a shareholder po sa kumpanya. Ngayon, how to become a Live Good member, no? Paano ka maging member or affiliate? No, maraming options. Option 1, pwede ka mag-monthly. Option 2, pwede ka mag-yearly. So pag yung option 1 yung pinili mo, again, may one-time payment 'to no, one-time lifetime payment na $40 lang. Then siyempre dahil pinili mo monthly, magma-monthly ka po ng $9.95. So 'yan, so every month magma-monthly ka lang ng $10 or $9.95. Ngayon, puwede mong gamitin 'tong option number 2, yung yearly 'no. So para isahan na lang, isang taon is naka-subscribe ka kay Live Good 'no. So one-time payment is $40 pa din, $40. Pero yung yearly mo, ang maganda rito, value for money pa din. Kasi yung yearly mo instead of $120, may discount ka pa na $20, no? So babayaran mo na lang siya ng o yung $99.95 na lang po siya. Grabe 'no, nakatipid ka pa ng 2 buwan at wala ka na siyempreng kakaba-kaba na hindi ka maka-subscribe this month, no? So kasi merong factor 'yun, eh, once na hindi ka naka-subscribe, siyempre malilimit yung income potential mo or hindi ka makakasali doon sa mga income potentials. Okay po? So ayan. So yun nga, sabi dito you save $20 no? So dahil 100 na lang po yung babayaran mo. Ngayon, ayan, so hindi ko lang makita yung taas, ayan. So ano yung makukuha mo? What is your benefit no pagkasali mo kay Live Good? Ito yung maraming tanong no sa atin. So number 1, exclusive lifetime access po doon sa ating system. So up to 75% less on all products compared doon sa competitor natin. Can you imagine guys, 75% ang discount mo sa mga produkto. High quality mga produkto, no? So high quality po 'yan, up to 75% yung iyong discount. Do'n pa lang panalong-panalo na po tayo. Do'n pa lang, sobrang, sulit na yung ating pagsali or yung pag-subscribe natin kay Live Good. Pangalawa, replicated website. Ito na po yung tutulong sa atin para gawin ang negosyo. So, dito po wala na po tayong package na bibilhin sa simula. Wala na pong gano'n. So dito po, ang binayaran niyo yung mga website na tutulong sa'yo gawin yung negosyo. So, nandiyan yung corporate site 'no, pag-click niyo po sa corporate site na ito, dito na po kayo o-order 'no. So for yourself 'no, kung may order ka, punta ka sa corporate site mo, add to cart ka na diyan parang Lazada and Shopee. Nandiyan yung link mo, add to cart, bayaran mo, company nang bahalang mag-deliver sa bahay mo. Pangalawa, retail site. May mga kaibigan ka na hindi pa member ni Livegood pero gustong umorder ng mga products. So pupuntahin mo sa retail site mo, may sarili kang site diyan. Add to cart lang din sila parang Lazada and Shopee. Then boom, company na pong bahalang mag-deliver sa bahay nila. Okay, so next, mga Powerline landing page, no? Ito pong Powerline landing page, ito na po yung nag-e-explain ng negosyo natin, no? Mayroon diyang 5 minutes video ng CEO natin, ine-explain niya po yung system or yung business natin. Pag nagustuhan po ng prospect ninyo, meron din po ditong system generated na reservation, no? Na form. So magre-reserve lang sila, pwede na rin po silang magbayad kung gusto nila mag-member sa'yo. Dire-diretso na po yun for as long as meron silang debit card or credit card, automatic magiging member mo na po yung prospect mo. So system ready na po tayo dito kay Livegood. And syempre, meron po tayong tinatawag na yung Livegood Clinic, no? So as of the moment, open po yan sa US. So, and syempre may karagdagan pa dito yung ating mga website per product, no? Yung product pages natin, no? So yung sa Super Reds natin and Super Green, meron po yung mga product website, no? Yun na po yung nag-e-explain ng ating product. So system ready na po tayo dito. Pagkasali niyo po, lahat ng kailangan is meron na po provided by the company. Siyempre, e-commerce and dropshipping yung na-discuss ko kanina, no? So, yung may website ka, doon na lang sila o-order, company na po ang bahalang mag-deliver. And next, free trainings, no? Marami tayong kinakandak na free trainings from our mother team going down to our even sa ating head office no sa US, may mga free trainings po silang pino-provide. And syempre yung community, no? You will get the community like the Magnate Alliance community na magbibigay sa inyo at tutulong sa inyo para kung paano magsimula at paano gawin ang negosyo natin. So dito pa lang sobrang value for money na po. As you can see for the website, this website it will cost you 50 to 100,000 pesos. But here in Livegood, no, kahit itanong niyo po sa mga IT professionals, no, but here in Livegood for as low as $50, you will get all this access or these materials na kakailanganin mo sa pagnenegosyo. Okay, so advantage, ayan, no mandatory buying, no auto ship, no team sales quota, no points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Buy the products you want and when you want it. So it's up to you kung kailan mo gustong bumili ng produkto para sa sarili mo, hindi ka po ioobligahin ng company. Okay, so ngayon, we're done with the company and the products. So ngayon, silipin natin yung kaninang sinasabi ko na company that pays, no, yung subscription that pays, no. So tingnan natin paano ba dito tayo kumita. Again, several ways of earnings. Pili na lang po kayo kung saan nyo gustong tumutok. Okay ba tayo doon? So dito walang pilitan. With this ways of earnings, kayo na pong bahala kung saan nyo gustong tumutok or saan kayo magaling. So number one, we have here the retail commission, no? So since you are an affiliate or member ni Livegood, so entitled ka sa member price, so pwede mo siyang ibenta, no? So pwede mo siyang ibenta and you will get yan commission. Ayan. So sa mga mahilig magbenta diyan, so you can ayan. So you can sell the products sa mga hindi pa member. So you can get commission po diyan. Pangalawa, customer acquisition bonus. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So yung first time na bibili ka ng produkto, enroll member, so magkakaroon ka pa ng 10% no sa mga order nila. Paid as a customer acquisition bonus. Ayan. So yung pag-order ng organization mo, first order nila, may 10% ka pang commission doon. Okay ba tayo doon? Yun yung pangalawang kitaan. Pangatlo, influencer bonus, no? Ito naman, meron lang tayong certain target dito kay Livegood, no? So if you're, yung mga affiliates na who's to market products, no? Yung gusto mag-market as on retail to retail customers, no? Sa mga hindi members, you will earn additional bonus, no? Ito katulad nito, meron tayong certain per month, $2,500. Pag na-hit nyo po yan, may additional 10% po kayong commission. So kung may 50% ka ng commission, additional 10 yan, 60% na yung total commission mo on personal customers mo po. Grabe 'no, so sana 'pag basta ma-hit mo lang 'tong mga target dito sa gilid, additional commission ka niyan. Ayan, so $5,000 per month, 20% 'yan additional. So 70% na yung magiging, commission mo sa personal customers mo po. Okay, so next. So let's go with the weekly fast start commission 'no. So eto naman, meron tayong commission sa subscription. Ayan. So ito maganda 'no. Every time na magre-refer ka or may mapasali ka kasi we are endorser ng ating company. Every time you refer, you will get $25 no. So i-compute na lang natin yan sa peso no. So kung 3,000 so that's 1,500. Every time you refer no. Pag ikaw ang naka-refer meron kang ayan. So meron kang $25 or yun nga, 1,500. So again, wala po itong limit kung ilan po yung ma-refer mo, babayaran ka po ng kumpanya. Okay? So ngayon, makita niyo yung diagram dito sa gilid 'no. Nakita niyo po may mga rank. Ayan, ang kagandahan dito may mga rank dito. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. As you go along with the rank, nakita niyo po nag-a-unlock no, nalalagyan kayo ng another commission per level. So can you imagine guys, level 1 lang yung kakilala mo. Tama? Yung level 1 mo po, mag-i-invite din po yan. Yung invite niya level 2 yun, level 2 mo. Yung level 2 hanggang level 10, hindi mo na po yan kakilala. So can you imagine you are getting commission sa mga hindi mo nakakilala or hindi mo na tinrabaho? That's the passive income here and weekly fast start commission. So ang direct mo lang dito, yung level 1, so 50% ka po diyan, so $25. Pero yung level 1 mo, syempre mag-i-invite din po 'yan. So kung ikaw ay bronze at naka-invite yung kakilala mo sa level 1, so level 2 mo na 'yun, hindi mo na 'yun kakilala pero may 10% ka pa doon sa kanyang membership or sa kanyang affiliation. So magkano 'yun, Sir Randy? Eh di kung $5, $5 hindi mo na effort, hindi na ikaw ang nagtrabaho na yung level 1 mo. Sounds good, no? Nakaka-relate po ba? Nakakasunod po? Can I have number 1 on the chat box? At sa mga nakikinig sa ating FB Live, can I have number 1 if we are on the same page ng pinag-uusapan? Eto malalim to guys, kapag naaral mo tong weekly fast start commission, sobrang ganda sobrang generous ng kumpanya, no? As you hit no at tinrabaho mo si Live Good, you go gold rank. Hindi mo namamalayan 6 na level sa ilalim, binibigyan ka ng komisyon sa membership pa lang, sa affiliation pa lang. So ang kailangan mo pa lang dito level 1. Pag nagpasali yon may 10% ka. Pag nagpasali yon may 5% ka doon. Eto pag nagpasali may 5% ka pa hanggang 6 level. So hindi mo na alam kung saan nanggagaling yung commission mo sa weekly fast start. As you go along with your rank. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nag-chat, mga nag-type no. So ayan, salamat po sa mga nag-type no sa Zoom at sa ating FB Live. So okay po ba tayo sa weekly fast start? Dito, this is a direct referrals and indirect referrals no. So habang hinihit mo yung rank mo, grabe, palalim ng palalim yung komisyon na binibigay sa ng kumpanya. Okay po. So next way of earning na pwede mong tutukan, we have ayan. So may illustration pala dito. So ayan, so etong level 2 hindi mo na yan mga kakilala, $5 ka pa diyan. Third level $2.5, ayan. Ayan. So as you can see no, yung level, nandiyan pala illustration no. So you're getting commission indirectly no doon sa what if may production or meron kang business partner na mas masipag sa at ginawang full time yung ating Live Good business. So you're getting commission. Pinaparami mo talaga yung oras mo sa oras ng ibang mga business partners mo. Okay? Ayan, unlimited directs, deeper level of fast, higher rank equals deeper level of fast start commission. Ayan. So ngayon, ayan, as you can see here, the leaderboard, no? So grabe yung leaderboard natin, Vietnam, US, we have the Canada, iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang bansa. yung ating mga leaderboard when it comes to direct referrals. Ayan. So dito pinakita lang yung income, no, na kanilang kinita with in terms of direct referrals. Ayan. Grabe, no? So ayan. So next would be the matrix commission. Ito isa sa kitaan natin yung matrix commission. So sabi dito, the company is giving you a matrix or a system, no? Ayan. So may system tayo dito kay Liftgood. So ito napakasimple lang, no? Kung ilan yung tao mo sa matrix mo, babayaran ka, bibigyan ka ng rebates, no? Every time na nakasubscribe yan, every month. So every month may matrix commission ka. Ibabalik sa iyo ng kumpanya 0.25 dollar sa lahat ng nakasubscribe sa matrix mo. Okay? So dito for example, meron ka diyang 10. So 10, 0.25 meron kang commission every month. Yung 10 nag-refer din ng kada isa, so 20. So 20 times kung 0.25. Yun po yung ibabalik sa iyo ni Liftgood, no, as a commission. So dito month after month meron kang commission. Right? So saan ang gagaling, Sir Randy? Coming from the subscription nila every month. So grabe, napaka-generous ng kumpanya. Lahat ng subscription nila every month ibabalik naman sa iyo ng ni Liftgood as a matrix commission. Bibigyan ka niya ng 0.25 sa lahat ng nakasubscribe sa matrix mo. So magpaparami ka lang ng subscriber, lahat yan, bayad, nagsasubscribe, boom, may matrix commission ka every month. Month after month after month po. Galing, no? So parang ano yan, ayan, 20 pesos per day. Ayan, membership o yung ating subscription. Ayan siya. Ayan, so it's around 14 pesos per member. Can you imagine meron kang 14 pesos per member sa lahat ng nakasubscribe under your organization? Again guys, repeating yan recurrent. Month after month, meron kang matrix commission. Galing, no? So wala nang, kahit di ka magbenta for as long as nakasubscribe po sila, meron ka pa ring income. Again, pili po kayo saan nyo po gusto. If you're good with selling or yung pagre-resell, it's okay, no? If you're good with the subscription or referring people, it's okay. It's just fine, no? It's okay. Bahala po kung saan po kayo mas gustong gawin yung negosyo. Okay? So we're done. Malapit tayo matapos, no? So ayan, so next way of earning is we have the matching bonus. Ito nakakatuwa din itong matching bonus natin. A huge as the fast start commission and matrix bonuses are from matching bonus are even bigger. So paano naman tong matching bonus, guys? So 'di ba kanina may mga direct ka, nagre-refer ka. Paano bang matching bonus? Mina-match ng kumpanya yung kita ng mga direct mo. Yung kita ng direct mo sa matrix, dahil ikaw ang nagpasali, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit sila nandito kay Livegood, meron ka pong 50% sa kinikita nila sa matrix nila. Guys, ang matrix commission, month after month, so month after month din po ang matching bonus mo. Again, malalim po ito, 5 generations deep po ito. Etong i-share ko, ayan, for example, may 5 po kayong napasali. No? So for example, itong 5 may sarili-sarili ng galaw yan, no? Gumagalaw na po yan, may production na every month. For example, itong number 1, napasali mo from Canada. Shout out Team Canada natin, no? Monthly na siya sa matrix niya ng $500 dahil ikaw ang nagpasali, $250 sa iyo. Pangalawa, napasali mo from Luzon. Medyo busy sa work or sa kanyang pag-aaral, pero may $300 siya monthly, may $150 ka. Itong pangatlo, sa Mindanao, humataw. Nag $1,000, edi $500 ka dyan. Monthly every month po yan. Next, yung pang-apat mong napasali, humataw din, nagto $200 na po, $100 ka. Yung pang-5 na napasali mo, $800, edi $400 ka. What's the point? Lahat ng mapasali mo direct sa'yo, lahat ng gagawin nila sa matrix or kikitain nila sa matrix, meron po kayong 50%. Grabe, no? Sobrang generous ng company. And dito, wala po itong nauna na huli. So, yung depending on your effort, marami ka mapasali or ma-refer. Do'n po lalaki yung iyong income. So again, let's stick on the mission 'no. Ang mission natin is, to stay healthy and get healthy without having a fortune to do it. Magiging healthy ka ng hindi ka gumagastos ng malaki. Nakukuha mo ang produkto at affordable prices at kasali ka siyempre dun sa kitaan. Etong pinag-uusapan nating kitaan, second second priority natin 'to. Kasi, a part of this, dun tayo sa unang priority na maging healthy sila. Kasi, hindi mo magagamit ang iyong wealth kung ikaw naman is hindi naman malusog, 'no? So, aanhin mo yung iyong yaman kung ikaw sa sarili mo naman is hindi ka healthy. Mabilis lang din yung buhay mo. Kaya ang purpose is to be healthy muna, sarili mo muna, gamit ka muna product and income will follow. Etong pinag-uusapan nating income is this is a bonus. Pero ang talagang focus natin is gumamit ng produkto at maging healthy tayo sa sarili natin. It's time for us, sa sarili naman natin. Sabi nga nila hashtag self-love, no? So yan. So okay ba tayo doon? So ayan, so matching bonus, ima-match ng kumpanya yung mga direct mo, yung napasali mo rito yung kita nila sa matrix, 50% meron ka po doon. Again, malalim po ito hindi po natatapos doon sa first generation mo. Hanggang 5 generation meron ka pa ring additional commissions po diyan. Discuss natin 'to ng malalim sa another session po natin 'no. Again, ayan, 7, next na way of earning natin is we have the bonuses 'no, yung ating diamond pool at yung crown diamond bonus pool 'no. Dito nakakatuwa, once you hit the diamond pool 'no, profit sharer ka na ng kumpanya. Magkano Sir Randy? 2% monthly. Lahat, total sales ng buong kumpanya worldwide, lahat ng sales niyan paghahatian po ng mga diamond rank. Kapatid, malaki po ang 2%. Sa ibang kumpanya, nagbibigay sila ng diamond bonus, ng bonus pool yearly. Magkano? 5%, 10%. Pero sa atin, monthly 2%. Kung gusto mo yearly compute, that is 24% yearly ang binibigay po ni Livegood. Isa sa pinakamalaking percent na nagbibigay ng bonus pool, no? Yung profit sharing, 24% po 'yan per year. Kasi when I check competitors nagbibigay din naman sila eh. Kaso per year, magkano? 5%, 10%. Yung iba nga wala pa eh. Pero kay Livegood, once you hit diamond, guaranteed ka. This is your retirement plan. Guaranteed ka for this profit sharing, 2% every month. Okay? So that's the diamond bonus pool. Sobrang powerful. Again, we have also the crown diamond bonus pool, no? Kasi ngayon ang crown diamond natin tatlo na po, no? From US, Sir Tim Miller, from Philippines, our very own, shout out Coach Fernan Santiago, and yung pangatlo is from Kazakhstan, no? So, Crown Diamond, again, binigyan po rin po sila 0.5% ng total sales ng buong kumpanya, pinaghahatian din po ng ating Crown Diamond. Okay? So ito, binigyan tayo ng example dito. If the company does $20 million revenue for the month, 20 million ang ating revenue. So, between membership, affiliates, and product sales. So, ito, Crown Diamond bonus pool is $100,000. That is 0.5% ng 20 million. No? Kung may 5 qualified Crown Diamond, so tigti $20,000 sila. Grabe na $20,000 month after month after month. Yan po yung projection or yung ating kinakaharap kapag once we hit diamond and crown diamond bonus pool. Kaya panggigilan natin tong Live Good business kasi sobrang promising ng ating negosyo. Okay? So again, ito may mga rank tayo, no? So nandito diniscuss how we will be hitting ang ating mga rank, no? Ito napakadali, sobrang doable nung ating mga rank, no? Sa bronze, 2 lang mapasali mo, bronze ka na. Sa silver, total organization mo is 20. So pwede mong diskarte yan, pwedeng ikaw lahat yan, napasali mo yung 20, silver ka. Pwedeng 10, tapos yung 10 na pasali mo, nagpasali ng tig-iisa, silver ka pa din. Pwedeng 3 lang, tapos sila is nag-bronze, tapos nag-total ka ng organization na 20, silver ka pa din. No? Sa gold, no? Sa mga shoutout sa mga gold rank natin, no? Ito naman, total organization mo is 100. No? Sobrang doable nito. No? Pwedeng 30 rito, direct mo. Tapos nag-total ka ng 100, organization, gold ka pa din. Pwedeng 3 lang na invite mo, tapos nag-silver sila, tapos nag-total na ng 100, gold ka pa rin. Or pwedeng kung masipag ka, yung 100 na organization, direct mo lahat, pwede rin, gold ka rin doon. Okay, sa platinum, eto naman, total organization, 500. Pwedeng 100 doon, direct mo. Or pwedeng 3 lang direct mo. Nag-gold sila lahat, tapos nag-total organization na, no, 500, platinum ka pa din. Or pwede, yung 500, sa'yo, direct mo lahat, platinum ka. Ngayon, yung diamond, no, yung kanina, yung may profit sharing, paano mag-diamond? Ito, kailangan may tatlong direct ka na platinum. Tapos plus 2,500 yung active members mo. Pwede po yun. Okay, or 2,500 active members with no more than 500 counting from any individual enrollers tree. So yan, ito namang mga ranking na to is i-discuss natin, no, sa mga in our next session po. Pinakita ko lang, no, kung paano i-hit, and sobrang doable po nitong mga rank na ito. Okay? So ayan po. So eto naman, may mga example tayo dito ng mga earnings, no. Ito, papasadahan ko na lang um, mga gold affiliate, mga platinum affiliates natin para meron po kang idea of this estimations ng mga earnings nila. So ayan, no. So hindi ko na po masyadong patatagalin dito. And ayan, ito naman ako earnings naman ng ating one of our diamond. So para may idea kayo how promising is the compensation plan ni Live Good. Ayan, so ito naman po 'yun. So ayan, so grabe, no. So that is the earning of our one of our diamond. Ayan, 3 months earning million po. Ayan, so crown diamond natin. So syempre ito yung ating one of our crown diamond. So ating Sir Tim Miller. So pasadahan ko na lang din po 'yan ng earnings nila. Ayan. So ito po. Ito naman mga structuring na to, no. You can also go with the family account, no. All of your new direct will be placed under them. So you can go with the family account, no. You can enroll your parents, mom and dad. So para ayan. So pwede po yung ganyang structure, no. So hindi ko na po masyadong i-elaborate, but sa mga talagang gustong tumutok dito kay Live Good, so you can do this strategy. Ayan. So again, this is a matrix system, no. So anything that you are endorsing or lahat ng ida-direct mo, papasok po sa level 1 mo, dito sa level 1. So dito lang po siya papasok. So natutulungan mo po tong level 1 mo, which is your family member. Okay? So we're done. We're done with our presentation, no. So dito pinakita ko gaano kaganda yung opportunity na Live Good. As you can see here, from Business for Home website, Live Good rank as AAA opportunity for 2024. So ang dami ng testimonials, ang dami ng mga appreciation sa ating kumpanya. We are appreciated by other organization like Business for Home na yung ating opportunity is talagang napakaganda. So it's up to us. This as of July of 2024, no, yung isang independent organization is na-recognize tayo as a AAA opportunity for 2024. So it is the best and the perfect opportunity for you. Business for Home grade definition, and AAA Business for Home recommends the company there is high certainty that the net benefit is sustainable for a distributor. Grabe, no? So, ayan. So, if you're looking for your health benefits, if you're looking for savings, and if you're looking for a side hustle or income, Live Good is right for you. And tara, pagtulungan natin. If you want the value, if you want value for money, if you want value for your savings and yung value for yourself, pagtulungan po natin ng Live Good Business. Again, maraming salamat for having here na maging speaker nyo ngayon, no. So sobrang thank you sa time and opportunity na ma-share ko si Live Good Business. I hope and I do pray na marami tayong maka-capture, no, na mga kaluluwa to have, alam mo yon, pahalagahan yung sarili, no. It's time for yourself naman na na i-value mo. Yung pinag-usapan natin sabi ko nga, yung pinag-usapan nating income kanina, given na po 'yun. Susunod po 'yun once na you are healthy at ginagamit mo si Live Good at member ka po ni Live Good. So that's the benefit na makukuha mo pagsali mo po dito kay Live Good. Again, maraming salamat and salamat po sa opportunity na makapag-share at makapagbigay ng value sa inyo dito sa ating, Build Your Business program by Magnate Alliance. Again